We can pick that one up. There's two right there.
Yep.
They've been here a little while. Should be 300s. There's one to your right.
Contaminated evidence and two shooters. The defense team for Alec Murdaugh introducing these possibilities during witness testimony today. The disbarred attorney is pleading not guilty to murdering his wife, Maggie, and their son, Paul. The victims both shot to death at the Colleton County Hunting Lodge back in June of 2021. And today, more law enforcement witnesses cross-examined about how they handled the crime scene and the evidence collected. Riley Miller explains why the defense is questioning if the guns seized from the Murdaugh crime scene are relevant.
Yeah, Greg, the defense points out the prosecution says the murder weapon is still missing. Prosecutors have not said the rifle seized from Moselle was the murder weapon. SLED agent Jeff Croft was called to the crime scene the morning after the murders. This is his body cam video shown in court today. He testified about the discovery of shell casings matching the 300 blackout rounds used to kill Maggie Murdaugh outside the Moselle gun room.
All right, and what is that item right there?
This is the 300 blackout rifle, which I secured from the gun wall.
All right, let me see it. Your Honor, at this time we would move State's Exhibit 84 into evidence.
Your Honor, I object on relevancy grounds. There's no evidence that this gun was the gun. I mean, it's just not relevant. It was found in the house. It ain't the gun.
Objection.
The prosecution argues the weapons are introduced to demonstrate the detail of the state investigation. The defense has repeatedly questioned this today, questioning how well physical evidence was handled at the crime scene.
There was a bloody footprint near his that turned out to be law enforcement, correct?
Yes.
In the feed room?
Right.
In blood? Is that preservation of the scene that your standards require?
Not exactly, no.
Not exactly? Should the police be walking through the scene?
No.
Do we know what other evidence they may have destroyed?
I have no idea.
That's right, we don't.
The agent also responded to the defense's argument of two shooters, pointing out the shooters could have simply moved between shots. The prosecution also questioned the diagrams the defense was using to make those points about bullet trajectory and layout of the crime scene.
And the testimony continues tomorrow. Riley Miller live in the studio breaking down today's developments in the Murdaugh murder trial. Thank you so very much.